In this video, I will show you how to create a table in Excel. Let's get started. Prepare your data. Ensure your data is well organized in rows and columns. Each column should have a clear header, and there should be no blank rows or columns within your dataset. Select and highlight your data. Navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Tables group, click on the Table button. A dialog box will appear, automatically selecting the range of your data. If your first row contains headers, ensure that the checkbox labeled My Table Has Headers is checked. Click OK to create the table. Excel will format your data into a structured table. You can customize the appearance of your table by selecting different styles from the Table Design tab after creating your table. Utilize sorting and filtering options available in the header row of your table to manage and analyze your data more efficiently. By following these steps, you can create a functional and visually appealing table in Excel that enhances your data management capabilities.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.